Where it's a camel shape here, I will try to make an attraction using the different shapes I got around it. Change another design to explode it. I will have the designs to make it. We will use the designs. Thank you for watching our video. So we are using the shapes here. Also take an attraction. What's the other design?